Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin holding 65k, came up to 66,500. Strong volume after this pump. Huge buy that set it up from 62 all the way to 64,500. People chatting, everyone communicate in English. You can join them all in the Crypto Guru chat. $2.4 trillion market cap, 308,000 total viewers, bitcoinprice.live. You can become a student, start trading 60k bonus with Bybit. 65. We went into greed very quickly from fear on that pump from 59, which is interesting. 53% dominance. Funding fee is going positive. And Bitcoin price 65,499. You can also set this up on bitcoinprice.live. When I look at it, the 15-minute time frame, that looks like a pole and a bull flag or a bullish pennant is forming here, which is interesting. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades, my $670-something thousand account. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. I'll do Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's go into the technicals. My account right now is 690, which is beautiful. Huge move this week. 643 to 690, so around 50k. World is pumping like crazy, up 5%. Look at my buys on World, everyone. This is on futures. On spot, look at this. I bought exactly the bottom of World, $1.53, and now we're at $2.60, which is already more than 100% up on World, which is amazing. Let's go into my assets. You can see World 9.7%, USDT 35%, Bitcoin 1.8%, MCRT 13%, Doge 9%, Uni 7%, Sui 2%, 689. Let's go into technicals for Bitcoin. Sui down a little bit, Nvidia up, MCRT up, World up, Google up, Tesla up in pre-market. Let's go into Bitcoin 65,455. Onto the weekly charts. Oh no, let's do daily. I did weekly earlier video. On the daily charts, inverse head and shoulders I see. Shoulder, head, shoulder for a move out like that, which lines up with this. But there is a little bit on the 4 hourly. You can see this little bit rising wedge forming here. Builds pressure, and these usually break down. So are we going to get rejected here off this 65k? Let's go closer into the 4 hourly to get our answer. W formation, it's climbing. Doesn't really look like a rising wedge, but here you can see it does. This one, if all my students, you know about this looks like a rising wedge, right? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Does it break down here from 67,500? Also, here is a point of massive resistance, but what I'm seeing is the potential of this massive bull flag to break out on the longer term time frame. So that is the question. It's a clear rising wedge, but you see it? Someone also pointed it out in the Telegram that this rising wedge is forming. You can see here in the Telegram. Everyone talk in English so I can show in my videos. See, I can't show this now. James, can you say which price level WorldCoin? Okay, everyone, that looks like a scam. Be careful. Be careful with scams. So I'm trying to find where someone else saw the rising wedge. This is in the chat right now. 545 of you are online in this chat talking together. But someone else saw this rising wedge. Interesting. Should I get out here on a rising wedge? On 4 hourly, it also looks like it. Okay, let's go closer then. Rising wedge. Let's go hourly. It's a clear rising wedge. It could pump more, right? Like we could get this rising wedge could go like this and come up to here 67 and then drop out. But in my opinion, I've been very bullish, inverse head and shoulders. My gut is telling me not to sell, but I do see inverse head and shoulders here. That's why I'm bullish. However, again, this is a rising wedge. I'd like to know your comments down below. What you think is going to happen. I'm staying bullish. If you're going to take a trade, I would keep it from where I said it earlier today. This one here on a bit of a pullback. If this rising wedge plays out, it could even come to 59, which would be brutal. Look at that. So, okay, if we measure it out, this is what we're talking about. Potentially, these two, if it breaks down 49, if it breaks out and it nullifies, it's this. This is a difficult one. I'm not sure. My gut is telling me I'm going to keep my trades open. Also, let's jump into World. 78k if it breaks to the upside. The inverse head and shoulders make me think, let's look at total market cap and Ethereum. That will give us more information. Total market cap, inverse head and shoulders also. And a bull flag and a symmetrical triangle on the total market cap of crypto. And you can see the same inverse head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, breakout. Let's look on the weekly stochastic. Slightly in overbought territory, but not much. Still heading up. Okay, I'm not closing. Let's go into Ethereum trades, where I'd set trades on Ethereum and World. Ethereum looks like it's going to pump out of this symmetrical triangle to the upside. Looks like it's going to break out. And then once it breaks out of this one, you can see this is on the weekly time frame. Each candle represents 1 week. You can learn all this in the crypto master course, so you can follow along and understand what I'm doing. Let me know if you understand what I'm doing in the comment section. Let's see if we can grab it. Okay, and it's coming out of that symmetrical triangle and descending triangle. So I think Ethereum is going to have a massive move out, actually. Ethereum's about to massively pump, in my opinion. But maybe we do also get rejected here in this symmetrical triangle. But it is coming to an end. At some point before November 28th, we're going to have a breakout on Ethereum that's going to be huge off this almost 4-year trend line, this yellow 4-year trend line going back to September 2022. Join us in the Telegram. All the links are down below. You can sign up down below. Bybit is giving $10 million World Series of Trading prizes there. You can join the WSOT, $10 million prize up for grabs. And you can see here, scan the QR code or go to the link down below. That's till October 31st, which is beautiful. And you can see all the gains and people's comments and things like that. Join us in the Telegram. And let's see how Bitcoin plays up. I'm going to watch it very carefully, and I'm going to watch it tomorrow. I'll make an updated video. If that rising wedge plays out, that must be some very bad news to drop it down so hard to 49. I'm leaning to that inverse head and shoulders breaking out and pushing to the upside. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.